Hey guys, I'm Mark Jimmy Piazza from BSRT 1A5 and welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm talking about a major ethical issues that affects all of us. Climate change caused by global industrial pollutions and how millennials and Gen Z responding to sustainability and activism. Globalization connects the world, but it also increases pollution from factories, transportation, and mass production. And our generation is not dealing with the consequences and pushing back. Because of globalization, companies produce more goods at huge scales. That means higher carbon emissions, more toxic industrial waste, massive plastic pollution, damaged ecosystem, and extreme weather. In the Philippines, we see this in the form of stronger typhoons, heat waves, and flooding. Now, it becomes an ethical issue because those who create the most pollutions, powerful countries and big corporations, are not the ones suffering the most. Ordinary people are, especially vulnerable communities, pay the price. This links to concepts like exploitation, environmental degradation, and ecological capacity. The Earth's ability to repair itself is disappearing. But here's the good news. Millennials and Gen Z are fighting back. Millennials are promoting sustainable living, supporting eco-friendly brands, and demanding corporate accountability. Gen Z is taking it further with online activism, climate strikes, and calling out companies that harm the environment. Both millennials and Gen Z are responding to clear response strategies like advocacy, sustainable practices, consumer choices, and activism. So, here's one simple thing you can do today. Cut down on single-use plastic and support brands that actually care about the environment. Small choices add up, and our generation can create real change. Thank you for watching, and let's protect our planet together.